Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to a decentralized exchange. A DEX is a platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users, without needing an intermediary. This means you maintain full control over your assets throughout the entire process. DEXs operate on blockchain technology, using smart contracts to execute trades securely and transparently. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from setting up your wallet to making your first trade. Before connecting to any DEX, you'll need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. This wallet acts as your digital identity and storage for your assets on the blockchain. There are various types, including browser extension wallets like MetaMask, which are very popular for their ease of use. Hardware wallets offer even greater security for larger holdings. Remember, your wallet seed phrase is the key to your funds. Keep it safe and private. Once your wallet is set up and funded, connecting to a DEX is straightforward. First, visit the official website of the decentralized exchange you wish to use. You'll typically find a Connect Wallet button, often in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click this button, and a list of compatible wallets will appear. Select your wallet, and a prompt will appear in your wallet application asking for your approval to connect. Confirm this, and you're ready to trade. With your wallet connected, you can now explore trading pairs and make swaps. Always double-check the token contract addresses to avoid scams. Be mindful of network gas fees, which are small costs for processing transactions. These can vary. For security, never share your private keys or seed phrase. When you're done trading, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet from the DEX. This helps keep your assets secure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.